What's up, everybody out there in YouTube land? This is Jose once again from PetRockMedia.com. We are back with another video, and today we're taking a look at the brand new setup that we've got here at Pet Rock Media Studios, courtesy of some different types of angles and some different things on the wall. Let me know what you guys think. We're going to talk a little bit about it. Alright everybody, so if you're new to the channel, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button and punch that bell icon so you'll be notified each and every time we post content on this channel. So about 7 months ago, my wife and I and my daughter moved into a brand new house that we had built, and now currently we are slowly getting things put into the house, making things feel a little bit more homey. And one of the things that I struggled with was getting my office completely reset up, based on the previous setup that I had at the older house. If you remember, we posted a video about completely redoing the office, and if you're new to the channel or weren't able to check that out, I'll leave that down below, and I'll leave it up here in one of these corners in one of the cards. You'll see the video that we did. We painted a wall, we did some things to the office itself, kind of rearranged it, and I had struggles in replicating that here at the new house. Here at the new house rather, I have a dedicated office space, whereas before we were in a bedroom that we makeshifted into an office. So this office is a lot smaller because the other bedroom was pretty large. I think it was about an 18 by 18, where this is about a 12 by 12. So it's a little bit smaller, still able to cram a lot of stuff into it. Right now I am in the Apple corner or wall of the office. Behind me is my PC setup. You'll see the monitor right there. Have some stuff in the back right there, my Blackmagic Pocket Cinema Camera 4K and so forth. I'm being lit right now with the Godox SL60W. Pretty amazing light. I'm going to be doing still a review on that light, so if you're in the market for a budget light for your YouTube setup, I could scarcely think of a better option than this light right here. Right now I've got some sound canceling, sound deafening foam cubes right behind here, so hopefully it helps with dampening of the sound. But overall, this is going to be probably the new setup that I'm going to be recording my my YouTube videos for this particular channel. So just wanted to come at you guys. Let me know what you guys think of the space. Let me know what you think about the overall setup behind me. Is there anything that you would recommend? Leave those comments down below. Again, right now, this computer next to me right now is my MacBook Pro. It's a 2014, don't quote me on that. It's kind of old, but it still does the job. It runs a lot of things that I need. It runs one of my Plex servers that I have here, quick photo touch-ups, you know, with just Lightroom, things like that. Nothing too heavy. Definitely don't do any video editing on this. I either use my PC behind me or my iPad Pro, courtesy of the LumaFusion app, which if you have not edited video on an iPad with LumaFusion, definitely check that out. LumaFusion is an incredible option for you if you want to utilize your iPad Pro as your main video source. But again, guys, just wanted to show you the new setup that I have here in the studio. Be the cool person that gives me a thumbs up or 2 thumbs down, and I will catch each and every one of you in the next video. Peace.